Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Evie Wild Tales. I am Evie, and I am so happy you are here. Today, we will play a fun guessing game as we meet amazing animals from the deep ocean, busy forests, wide grasslands, and colorful farms. Listen closely to each clue, make your best guess, and then discover the answer together. You will learn fun facts about how these animals move, where they live, what they eat, and what makes each one so special. Let us begin our exciting animal adventure.
Do you recognize this animal?
Great job! It is an octopus. This clever sea animal swims with strong arms and can also crawl along the ocean floor. It likes to look for food such as crabs and shells. Its soft body can hide in tiny spaces, and it changes color to help it stay safe.
Do you recognize this animal?
Exactly. It is a basking shark. This enormous fish swims slowly through the sea with its huge mouth open to collect tiny floating food. It is gentle and peaceful. Some basking sharks need protection so they can continue living in our oceans.
Do you recognize this animal?
You guessed it. It is a centipede. This long animal has many legs that help it move quickly across the ground. It usually comes out at night to look for food and hides under rocks or logs during the day to stay safe.
Do you recognize this animal?
Wonderful! It is a humpback whale. This giant ocean animal swims with powerful fins and makes beautiful songs to communicate. Mothers care for their calves with great love. Some humpback whales need protection around the world.
Do you recognize this animal?
Perfect! It is a rabbit. This fluffy animal has long ears and strong back legs for fast hopping. It enjoys eating grass and leafy plants. Rabbits stay alert and quickly hop away to stay safe when bigger animals come near.
Do you recognize this animal?
Correct. It is a kangaroo. This amazing animal hops across the grasslands with powerful legs and balances with its long tail. Baby kangaroos grow inside their mother and opo's pouch. They enjoy eating grass and leaves during the day.
Do you recognize this animal?
Excellent! It is a sawfish. This unusual sea animal has a long nose that looks like a saw. It swims through rivers and oceans while looking for food. Some sawfish need protection because there are fewer of them today.
Do you recognize this animal?
Awesome! It is a jellyfish. This soft ocean animal gently drifts with the water. Its body is almost see-through, and its long tentacles help it catch tiny food. It uses a special defense to help it stay safe in the sea.
Do you recognize this animal?
Nice work! It is a turkey. This large bird walks across fields and forests while looking for seeds, berries, and insects. It makes gobbling sounds to communicate. Mother turkeys carefully watch over their young chicks.
Do you recognize this animal?
Bingo! It is a cricket. This tiny insect jumps with strong back legs and often sings at night by rubbing its wings together. It likes grassy places and looks for leaves and small plants to eat.
Do you recognize this animal?
Amazing! It is a dragonfly. This colorful insect flies with 4 clear wings and can change direction very quickly. It lives near ponds and streams. Dragonflies help nature by keeping many tiny insects in balance.
Do you recognize this animal?
That is the right answer. It is a starfish. This sea animal has 5 arms and slowly crawls along the ocean floor. It can grow back an arm if one is lost. It lives among rocks and coral reefs.
Do you recognize this animal?
Brilliant! It is a German Shepherd dog. This smart and loyal dog runs quickly and enjoys learning new tasks. It communicates with barks and body movements. Many people work with German Shepherd dogs because they are helpful companions.
Do you recognize this animal?
Yes, that is correct. It is a red deer. This graceful animal lives in forests and grasslands. It eats grass, leaves, and plants. Male red deer grow large antlers, and some groups need protection in certain places.
Do you recognize this animal?
Smart answer. It is a coconut crab. This giant land crab has very strong claws and enjoys climbing trees. It can crack hard coconuts and also looks for fruit on the ground. It lives on warm tropical islands.
recognize this animal?
Well done. It is a sperm whale. This huge whale dives very deep into the ocean to look for food such as squid. It lives in family groups and communicates with clicking sounds. Some sperm whales need protection to help their future. What an exciting journey through the animal world! Today, we met wonderful creatures from the sea, forests, fields, and grasslands, and we discovered what makes each one unique. There are always more amazing animals waiting for us to explore together. If you enjoyed this adventure, please like and subscribe to Evie Wild Tales for more fun discoveries. Thank you for learning with me today. Goodbye, take care, and I cannot wait to see you again on our next animal adventure. Hello, little explorers, and welcome to Evie Wild Tales. I am Evie, and I am so happy you are here. Today, a group of amazing animals is waiting for you. One has a long trunk, one glides through the sea like a floating umbrella, and another carries a huge pouch on its beak. Can you guess who they are before each answer appears? Listen carefully, look for the clues, and enjoy discovering wonderful animal friends from around the world together.
Do you recognize this animal?
Exactly. It is a goose. Geese walk, swim, and fly in the sky. They enjoy eating grass, seeds, and small water plants. They often live on farms, lakes, and rivers. Goose parents carefully watch over their fluffy babies until they grow stronger.
Do you recognize this animal?
You guessed it. It is an otter. Otters are playful swimmers that live in rivers, lakes, and coastal waters. They look for food such as fish and shellfish. Their thick fur helps keep them warm, and some otter species need protection.
Do you recognize this animal?
Brilliant! It is a jellyfish. Jellyfish drift gently with ocean currents and have soft, clear bodies. They have a special defense to help them stay safe. They have lived in Earth and Apos, oceans for a very long time and lay eggs during their life cycle.
Do you recognize this animal?
Great job! It is a rhinoceros beetle. This strong insect has a hard shell and a horn that looks like a tiny rhinoceros. It likes forests and feeds on tree sap and fruit. It is active mostly at night and can climb very well.
Do you recognize this animal?
Perfect! It is a bee. Bees fly from flower to flower collecting nectar and pollen. They help many plants grow by carrying pollen between blossoms. Bees live together in busy hives, and they use a special defense to help keep their homes safe.
Do you recognize this animal?
Nice work! It is a wobbegong shark. This amazing shark rests on the seafloor with colors that help it blend into rocks and sand. It looks for food nearby and moves with calm, gentle motions. It lays eggs and spends its life in the ocean.
Do you recognize this animal?
Excellent! It is an anteater. Anteaters have long noses and sticky tongues for eating ants and termites. They walk through forests and grasslands looking for food. Their sharp claws help them dig and also help them stay safe.
Do you recognize this animal?
Awesome! It is a swan. Swans glide across peaceful lakes with long necks and beautiful feathers. They eat water plants and small water animals. Swan parents stay close to their young and guide them as they learn to swim.
Do you recognize this animal?
Correct. It is a pelican. Pelicans have a large pouch under their beaks that helps them scoop up fish. They fly with wide wings and rest near rivers, lakes, and seashores. They often live in groups and care for their chicks.
Do you recognize this animal?
Bingo! It is a sawfish. Sawfish have a long, saw-like snout that helps them find food in the water. They swim through rivers and coastal seas. Some sawfish species need protection because there are fewer of them today.
Do you recognize this animal?
That is the right answer. It is a lynx. Lynxes have pointed ears with fluffy tips and thick fur for cold forests. They quietly look for food and move with quick, careful steps. Some lynx species need protection in the wild.
Do you recognize this animal?
Amazing! It is a hippopotamus. Hippos are very large animals that spend much of the day resting in rivers. They eat grass after sunset and have strong bodies. Baby hippos stay close to their mothers as they grow.
Do you recognize this animal?
Well done! It is a reindeer. Reindeer live in cold northern lands and have thick fur to stay warm. They eat mosses, grasses, and plants. Both males and females can grow antlers, and they travel together across snowy places.
Do you recognize this animal?
Good guessing. It is a grouper. Groupers are large fish that live around coral reefs and rocky seas. They look for food such as smaller fish and crabs. Their spotted colors help them blend into their underwater homes.
Do you recognize this animal?
Smart answer. It is an elephant. Elephants use their long trunks to drink, pick up food, and greet one another. They live in forests and grasslands and enjoy eating leaves, fruit, and grass. Some elephant species need protection.
Do you recognize this animal?
Yes, that is correct. It is a humpback whale. These giant ocean animals swim across long distances and sing beautiful songs to communicate. Baby whales stay close to their mothers. Humpback whales are protected in many parts of the world. What a wonderful journey through the animal world! We met swimmers, flyers, climbers, and gentle giants, and each one had something special to discover. Keep looking closely at nature because every animal has an amazing story to share. If you enjoyed learning with me, please like and subscribe to Evie Wild Tales for more adventures. Thank you for watching, goodbye for now, and I cannot wait to see you again in our next animal adventure. Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Evie Wild Tales. I am Evie, and I am so happy you are here. Today we will play a fun guessing adventure with amazing animals from deserts, forests, farms, rivers, and the deep blue sea. Listen carefully to each clue, make your best guess, and then discover the answer together. Every animal has something wonderful to share, from giant swimmers to tiny crawlers. Let us begin our exciting journey and meet friends from all around the world.
Do you recognize this animal?
Great job! It is a dromedary camel. This tall desert animal has one hump that stores fat to help during long trips. It walks across hot sandy places, eats dry plants, and can go a long time without water. Long legs and wide feet help it travel with ease.
Do you recognize this animal?
Exactly. It is a duck. Ducks swim, walk, and fly with ease. Their webbed feet paddle through ponds while waterproof feathers help keep them dry. They eat plants, seeds, insects, and tiny water animals. Mother ducks gently guide their ducklings together.
recognize this animal?
You guessed it. It is a wolf. Wolves run quickly through forests and open lands. They live in family groups called packs and communicate with howls and body movements. They look for food together and care for their young with teamwork.
Do you recognize this animal?
Excellent! It is a rhinoceros beetle. This strong little insect has a horn that makes it easy to recognize. It climbs trees, enjoys sweet tree sap and fruit, and uses its hard shell to stay safe. It has lived on Earth for a very long time.
Do you recognize this animal?
Perfect! It is an otter. Otters are playful swimmers that glide through rivers and lakes with smooth bodies and webbed feet. They eat fish and other small water animals. Thick fur keeps them warm, and some kinds need protection in nature.
Do you recognize this animal?
Correct. It is a pangolin. This quiet animal is covered with tough scales that help it stay safe by curling into a tight ball. It enjoys eating ants and termites with its long sticky tongue. Some kinds need protection around the world.
Do you recognize this animal?
Brilliant! It is a humpback whale. This giant ocean swimmer has long flippers and sings beautiful songs to communicate. It gives birth to live young and mothers care for their calves. Some humpback whales still need protection.
Do you recognize this animal?
Nice work! It is a Texas longhorn. This large cow is famous for its very long horns. It walks across grassy fields, eats plants, and lives well in warm places. Its strong body and calm nature have helped people on farms for many years.
Do you recognize this animal?
Awesome! It is a centipede. This long animal has many legs that help it move quickly across the ground. It likes cool, dark places and usually comes out at night. Its body has a special defense that helps it stay safe from bigger animals.
Do you recognize this animal?
That is right. It is a cow. Cows are gentle farm animals that eat grass and other plants. They walk with strong legs and say and quote, moo and quote, to communicate. Mother cows care for their calves, and cows help people by providing milk.
recognize this animal?
Bingo! It is a hermit crab. This clever little crab protects its soft body by living inside empty shells. As it grows bigger, it finds a larger shell to wear. It walks along beaches and shallow seas while looking for small bits of food.
Do you recognize this animal?
Smart answer. It is a crab. Crabs walk sideways with strong legs and use hard shells to stay safe. Many live near beaches, rivers, or the sea. They eat plants and small animals, helping keep nature balanced in their watery homes.
Do you recognize this animal?
Amazing! It is a German Shepherd dog. This smart and loyal dog runs fast and learns many helpful jobs. It communicates with barks and body movements. People often work with German Shepherd dogs because they are brave, gentle, and eager to help.
Do you recognize this animal?
Well done! It is a manatee. This gentle giant swims slowly through warm rivers and coastal waters. It eats water plants and breathes air at the surface. Calm and peaceful, many manatees need protection so they can continue living safely.
Do you recognize this animal?
Good guessing. It is a goat. Goats are active animals that climb rocky hills with excellent balance. They eat grass, leaves, and small plants. Curved horns and strong hooves help them move over rough places with confidence.
Do you recognize this animal?
Yes, that is correct. It is a whale shark. This is the largest fish in the world, yet it is gentle and swims slowly through warm oceans. It eats tiny floating animals and small fish. Whale sharks need protection so future children can admire them. What an exciting journey through the animal world! You discovered animals from deserts, farms, forests, rivers, beaches, and the deep ocean while learning many fun facts along the way. Keep exploring with curious eyes because every adventure brings something new to discover. Please like and subscribe to Evie Wild Tales for more amazing animal adventures. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now, and I cannot wait to see you again on our next wild adventure. Hello, little explorers, and welcome to Evie Wild Tales. I am Evie, and I am so happy you are here. Today, we are going on a fun guessing adventure to meet amazing animals from icy lands, warm deserts, grassy plains, deep oceans, and peaceful forests. Listen carefully to each clue, make your best guess, then discover the answer together. Every animal has special features that make our world wonderful. Are you ready to learn and play? Let us begin our wild journey together.
Do you recognize this animal?
Excellent! It is a pangolin. The pangolin walks on land and looks for food by eating ants and termites with its long sticky tongue. Its hard scales help it stay safe because it curls into a tight ball. This amazing animal needs protection in many places.
Do you recognize this animal?
You guessed it. It is a polar bear. The polar bear walks across snowy ice and swims through cold seas. Its thick white fur and warm fat keep it cozy in freezing weather. It looks for food near the water, and this giant animal needs protection.
Do you recognize this animal?
Perfect. It is a reindeer. Reindeer walk and run across snowy lands with strong hooves. They enjoy eating grass, moss, and small plants. Both males and females can grow antlers, and their thick coats help them stay warm during cold winters.
Do you recognize this animal?
Good guessing. It is an alpaca. Alpacas live in cool mountains and enjoy eating soft grasses. Their fluffy wool keeps them warm, and people use the wool to make cozy clothing. They are gentle animals that like living together in friendly groups.
Do you recognize this animal?
Exactly. It is a mako shark. This fast swimmer glides through the open ocean with a smooth body and a strong tail. It looks for food by catching fish and squid. Baby mako sharks are born alive instead of hatching from eggs.
Do you recognize this animal?
Awesome! It is a mantis. The mantis walks slowly on plants and can stay very still while looking for food. Its front legs fold like hands, making it easy to recognize. Green or brown colors help it blend into leaves and branches.
Do you recognize this animal?
That is the right answer. It is a kangaroo. Kangaroos hop with powerful back legs across grassy lands. They enjoy eating grass and leaves. Mothers carry tiny babies in a soft pouch until the little ones grow stronger and ready to explore.
Do you recognize this animal?
Well done! It is a snail. The snail moves very slowly and carries a hard shell on its back. It enjoys eating leaves and plants in damp places. When it wants to stay safe, it gently hides inside its shell and rests quietly.
Do you recognize this animal?
Brilliant! It is an African buffalo. African buffaloes walk across grassy plains and enjoy eating grass. Their large curved horns help them stay safe. These strong animals often travel together in herds, watching and communicating with one another.
Do you recognize this animal?
Great job! It is a grouper. The grouper swims around rocky reefs and coral homes beneath the sea. It looks for food by eating fish and small sea animals. Its spotted body helps it blend with rocks while resting during the day.
Do you recognize this animal?
Nice work! It is an Arabian oryx. This beautiful animal lives in hot deserts and eats grasses and desert plants. Its long straight horns are easy to spot, and its light-colored coat reflects sunlight. It once needed protection and is carefully cared for.
Do you recognize this animal?
Correct. It is a Hirola antelope. The Hirola walks across open grasslands and eats fresh grasses. Dark markings around its eyes make it easy to recognize. Only a small number remain in the wild today, so this special animal needs protection.
Do you recognize this animal?
Bingo! It is a coral snake. The coral snake slithers across the ground with bright bands of red, yellow, and black. It lays eggs and enjoys looking for food such as small animals. Its colorful body is a special defense that helps it stay safe.
Do you recognize this animal?
Amazing! It is a turkey. Turkeys walk through forests and farms looking for seeds, berries, and insects. They can make gobbling sounds to communicate with one another. Although they are large birds, they can fly short distances when needed.
Do you recognize this animal?
Smart answer. It is a swan. Swans glide across peaceful lakes with graceful white or golden feathers. They enjoy eating water plants and small water animals. Parent swans carefully watch over their fluffy babies until they become stronger swimmers.
Do you recognize this animal?
Yes, that is correct. It is a blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth and swims through the open ocean. It eats tiny krill, even though it is enormous. This gentle giant communicates with deep sounds and needs protection. What an exciting adventure we shared today! We traveled across snow, deserts, forests, grasslands, rivers, and oceans while discovering incredible animals with amazing features. Every creature has an important place in nature, and some need protection so future children can enjoy learning about them too. If you had fun, please like and subscribe to Evie Wild Tales for more animal adventures. Thank you for watching, goodbye, and I cannot wait to see you again in our next wild journey.